Okay, we've got RHI Power Sports. I think this is a head harness thing for the GoPro, I think. GoPro Head Strap Plus, QuickClip, eBay. All right, wow, check this out. It's a lot of plastic. U-Haul bag. All right, got me a U-Haul bag. So this thing said new. It looks like yeah, one of these vacuum packages. 14037 GoPro head strap and quick clip. How was that? Let's zoom in. So I've got bought the GoPro in Mexico at a Costco in Mexico, Guadalajara, and then suddenly I just couldn't find any accessories for it. So I would just kind of do this, or I would put it on this thing, but it was always shaking and getting loose and moving, and I'd put this on the car, on the either on the little handle thing or the visor. It was just all over the place. So yeah, I just did the chest strap, chest mount. Then this is the head strap. Dang it, I left the GoPro somewhere. I'm already packing for the trip to Mexico. So basically this is it. Put it on your head. It's kind of what it does. So, and then I like this because it's got this little clip, and with this clip you can I don't know, if you got a backpack or something, you can always clip it. Here, let's do here as a demonstration. Watch me cut myself. Well, anyways, clip it on there, and or on your hat. If you're wearing a hat, you can put it on the bill. Not sure what the weight's going to be like with the GoPro and having it on your hat, but I also see some people, or I think the advertisement, they wear like a baseball cap but turned around, and this baseball cap turned around and this on the other end. But anyways, it's a clip. That's what it does. It clips. And then your head strap, put your GoPro on there. I don't know if it's look kind of funky, but I guess long. Oh, and then check this out. It's got a little like a little rubbery anti-slip stuff. I think I look like a dork, but at least you can a dork with a GoPro. Didn't mean to offend all the other people that use this, but yeah, it looks kind of. Maybe if you're wearing a hat or something, or a cap, then it won't look so bad. Yeah, I'll have to get a black cap and throw this over the cap so it doesn't look so funky. Anyways, that's what it is. It's a strap for your head. You put your GoPro on there. All right. So we got a chest mount and a head strap.